In today's video, I'm going to teach you Warmwind OS versus Claude, which is better. Let's start by setting the stage. Both tools aim to help you get more done with AI, but they approach work very differently. One is designed to collaborate closely with you, while the other is built to operate more like an autonomous digital worker. Understanding that core difference will help you choose the right fit for your workflow. First up, Claude. Think of Claude as a thoughtful partner that works alongside you. It asks clarifying questions, pays attention to context, and leans on strong reasoning to handle complex workflows. When you need to map out a multi-step process, Claude's planning approach helps break big goals into clear actions. It's especially helpful when your task benefits from back-and-forth discussion, interpretation of nuanced instructions, or evolving requirements. If your project might change midway, Claude can adapt because it's tuned for collaboration and context awareness. Claude's biggest strengths are adaptability, context, awareness, and collaboration. You'll notice this when you're refining a brief, shaping a strategy, or solving a problem that doesn't have a single obvious path. The trade-off is speed on repetitive, fully autonomous tasks. If you want something to just run without check-ins, Claude may slow down by asking for confirmation or additional detail to ensure accuracy. Now, Warmwind OS. Picture this as an autonomous system that runs tasks like a digital employee. It excels at scheduling, project management, and executing defined processes without constant oversight. Once you set the objectives and guardrails, it moves quickly and independently, pushing work forward with minimal hand-holding. This is ideal when your workflows are well-defined, repeatable, and time-sensitive. Warmwind OS shines in efficiency and independence. It can take a queue of tasks and run them at speed, which is great for operational work. The limitation shows up when your goals are highly nuanced, open-ended, or likely to shift. In those cases, an autonomous system may not capture the subtleties the way a collaborative assistant can. So which is better? It depends on the kind of work you do most. If you need an autonomous AI employee to execute repeatable tasks fast, Warmwind OS is a strong choice. If you want a collaborative assistant with strong reasoning and the ability to adapt to changing context, Claude is the better fit. Many teams find value in combining both, using Warmwind OS for execution and Claude for planning and refinement. Choose based on the balance you need between independence and adaptability.